This is moi moi. Some people call it moi moi bean pudding. In this video, I'll be showing you a special way I make my moi moi. You can see how I'm brushing this moi moi. It's so delicious, it's so fluffy and yet firm, you know. It tastes so amazing, it tastes so good, it's so delicious. I'll be showing you how I make my moi moi. Sit back and enjoy this video. If today is your first time of tuning in or clicking to this channel, thank you for tuning in. Let's begin. I'm using 3 tins of these honey beans. The name of the beans I'm using in this video is called honey beans. You can make use of any type of beans of choice. There is a lot of beans variety. You can actually make moi moi with any of those. Okay, I measured out 3 of that container. I'm going to soak the beans for some time before peeling the coat. I'm not going to use all of these beans for the moi moi. I just want to have extra beans in my freezer, like that have already peeled the coat. I'm trying to wash the egg and boil it for the moi moi preparation before I start peeling the beans. You can use food processor for this or blender. I just decided to exercise my hand, that's all. It's not a very big deal to peel out beans coats actually. So I'm going to blend some of the beans and use it for my moi moi. I'm adding onions, scotch bonnet, shombo and tatashi mixed together. This gives the moi moi the incredible color you want. Add enough water, don't overdo it, just add enough so that the blender can blend the beans perfectly because I didn't soak the beans. If you're not using the moi moi, they can soak the beans. This makes the beans soften. It makes it easy for the blender to blend the beans when it's time to blend the sha. So this is the second blending. After this, I'll mix up the stuff I want to add to the moi moi. So how are you guys doing? How is everybody doing? The holidays is upon us. Well, last month was like it didn't happen. It was just everything was so fast. So I just added my meat broth, and in that meat broth I have other spices I use in cooking the meat. Okay, this is oil, vegetable oil. You can use any oil of choice. You can make use of soybean oil, you can make use of coconut oil, it depends, but I'm just using the normal vegetable oil we use all the time. I added the meat I diced, nutmeg, black pepper, salt, not too much spice, okay, because the meat, that's the broth, already have a lot of spice going on in it. So this is not palm oil, guys. This is oil I fried. I use in frying onions and crayfish. Yes, I don't want to pour in the crayfish powder or the blended crayfish. I just fry the crayfish with onions to extract the flavor. Sometimes my kids hate crayfish, so they are kind of picky what I add to my moi. So this is corned beef. I was thinking of adding it to the moi moi directly. I decided to go the other way, that's placing it on the top of the moi moi after putting it in the bowl. So this is where all this goodness is going to enter. I'm going to scoop in some of the moi moi blended bean pudding into this ceramic bowls, a big cup. What do we call it now? So before that, I applied a little bit of vegetable oil. I don't want it to stick. It does stick, but it will not stick too much on the plate or the bowl when the moi moi is thoroughly cooked. So how are you guys enjoying this video so far? Not too complicated, right? You can make moi moi in different ways. There's another recipe where you can fry stew or sauce, pour it directly in the beans, then blend. There is different method of cleaning, right? So you cook according to your taste. Today I just want to show you this recipe that I like. This one saves time. Back, you don't finish. No too much stress. So I'll begin to put the corned beef on the top of the moi moi. Feel free to pour in corned beef into your moi moi, blended beans, and mix everything together. Okay, it's still the same thing, just that this corned beef that is placed on top of it makes it look more, I don't know, should I say more attractive and more delicious. Yeah, I'm going to place it in this pot because this is where I'm going to steam the moi moi. Moi moi does not actually require a lot of heat. Just steam and your moi moi or bean pudding will be ready in no time. This moi moi took about 35 to 40 minutes or 35 to 45 minutes to cook. I'm pouring in hot water into the pot, and after that I'm going to cover it and cook. It already looks like, I don't know, it's so good. So the next batch I'm going to bake them. Yes, you can bake your moi moi too. All you have to do is put it in little bowls that are oven safe, and voila, you bake your moi moi. Before I place it in the oven, I did this off camera. I use aluminum foil to cover it. This helps retain the heat in the oven and it makes it bake even faster. So that's just it. I hope this helps. You can, in fact, bean pudding is very versatile. After making it, you can use it to eat pap, you can use it to eat jollof rice, stew, a lot of things. It's so delicious. So if you have been watching this video to this point, you've not subscribed, biko ejo subscribe, okay? I tried doing this, but this thing keeps slipping. I have to use my hand. It's hot, but not too hot. So hope you guys enjoyed this video to this point. I tried making it as simple as possible. This moi moi was so delicious, no capping. Honestly, it's so good. I don't know if it's just the meat broth or the onion I fried with crayfish. Everything was so good. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. Subscribe, share my video. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.